Augmented reality is revolutionizing industries. Discover how Hololight's XR streaming technology is transforming the future of woodworking. Felder Group, a global leader in woodworking machinery, offers a vast portfolio including CNC machines. Operating these complex machines demands high precision and skill.
It's quite hard for the machine operator to put on non-squared workpieces because he do not have any reference.
Traditional methods for positioning workpieces are often time-consuming and prone to errors, impacting productivity and efficiency.
Hololight convinced us right from the start with its expertise and cooperative attitude and their innovative approaches.
Felder's AR application F4 Vision, enabled by Hololight's streaming technology, transforms CNC machine operation by providing intuitive AR-guided positioning for clamping devices and workpieces.
With this functionality, customer can see his pre-milled workpiece virtual in 3D. And now it's very easy to position the finished milled workpiece on the non-squared shaped raw material. And this makes it possible to work profitable in quantity 1 for the customer.
By offloading rendering to a local server, Hololight Stream allows real-time visualization of complex data, including the machine's cutting paths and starting points.
This is only possible with the streaming technology by Hololight.
The streaming technology is the key. If this wouldn't work perfectly, nobody would use it.